Hi, John Valsavari here. Talking about Year 8 Digital Technologies, Lesson 3, doing a mock-up, okay, for our AI for Good. Remembering that we are trying to look at accessibility. We're trying to enable more people to be able to access or be able to use like a service, okay? So today we're going to be creating mock-ups for our AI for Accessibility product. A mock-up can be a drawing or a sketch that shows people what a finished product might look like. So what we're doing today is on paper and pen, right? Or paper and pencil. We use mock-ups during the planning phase to get feedback about our ideas. So get a piece of A4 paper and a pencil or a pen if you don't have one. I did mine in pen. And yeah, it looks alright. I'll show you in a sec. So you fold it along the long ways, right? Take a piece of paper, fold it that way, and then try and get it like that, okay? You end up with 6 squares, 6 rectangles. And then what you got to do is set up yourself up a timer and give yourself 6 minutes, so 1 minute per mock-up, and try and draw one in each, okay? Now before you start, I'll show you mine as an example that I did. So, where are we? There we are. So that's it there. Trying not to get my face too huge on the camera, just don't want to scare anybody. Where are we? So that's the first one for me, talking about my idea, I suppose, was a virtual tour of how to get to a book you might find in a library. So you've got some bookshelves. And so it gives you directions or a dotted line of where to go to get to it. This one gives you the worded directions on the side. This one here was more like a scene. It's not really a mock-up. And it's someone holding a phone, and the phone goes beep, 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 beep when you get close to the book you're looking for. That one was more like a giant map of the whole library. You can sort of work your way through it. That one was like just showing the liked books. And the last one is just some options of when you found a book. You want to locate it, you want to hold it, you want to like it, something like that. Okay, so just wanted to show you that as an idea. I'm not saying it's a grade 6 out of 6, but I gave myself 6 minutes and that's what I come up with. So the idea is just no matter what you put in those boxes, doesn't matter, okay? Just sort of leave it and sort of go through. Okay, so pause the video, 6 minutes, do your 6 drawings. Okay, welcome back. Now what you want to do is you want to put a photo of your 6 drawings here in your space, okay? If you're not sure how to do that, I'll show you real quick. You can just get your camera up. What's happening? Ooh, it's using a different camera. Oh, maybe it's because I'm using the webcam. Okay. It doesn't like it. But if it works, just sort of hold it up like this in front of your camera. My camera's over here. Hello. But you want to hold it up in front of. You can see the other one up there. But you hold your photo up. You hit click. Okay. And then you got to find it. So you open up your folder. Go to pictures. Go to, don't worry about my backgrounds. You go to camera roll. A few pictures of me and my socks. You find your picture. Okay. And then you should be able to just drag that into OneNote. Still holding down on the click, and then you let go. You What I'll do is when I'm not recording myself, I'll take a photo of it and put it in here so you can see it, and just sort of delete it and put your one there. Okay. All right. Next up, discussion. So what we want you to do is to go around and ask someone at home or a friend, okay, maybe in the class, would be cool. Just ask them about or tell them about your product, show them the 6 designs, and ask them these 3 questions. So which design is their favorite? Why do they like that design? And what would they do to improve the design? Okay. So maybe pause the video, spend a bit of time either asking some family at home or some friends those questions. And then once you've got a few answers, come back to the video and we'll talk about the last thing. So pause. And then unpause and we can keep going. So the last one, prototype. Choose your favorite mock-up. Okay. So of all the ones that you made, choose your favorite one. And then create a final drawing for that product. Okay, so let's say I really liked, let's say I really like this one. Final design, full detail, I would want to make it a whole A4 piece of paper. And I would put in literally as much detail as I possibly could. So is it going to be a white background, a blue background? Is it going to be like the outline of shapes, or am I going to have pictures of bookshelves there? Okay, is it going to be a dotted line? Is it going to be like flashing? Is it going to be black? Like what color is it going to be? That sort of stuff. And the writing on the side, what font will that be? Will it scroll? Will it recognize when you've completed each step? Will it recognize that you're doing the steps? As much detail as you can put on that mock-up as possible, right? And when you're doing your notes, you just draw a line off from the side and draw a little note, write a note about the details. Okay. Once you've finished your A4 final, take another photo and put that here. Okay. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching.